So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to set your world coordinates. And what that means is when you input your floor plan into Revit, you can acquire the coordinates and it will place your floor plan where it is located relative to the world. So there's two things that you have to do first in Revit. You need to set up your project north and your true north. Let me go to my site because it's the site that you have to import it straight to. So I go to link CAD. I'm in my site view and I go to link CAD. This is my floor plan that I'm about to input into Revit. Okay, so what we do is we pick that we want it to be inputted onto the current view only. So it will only be inputted onto site plan. We want to preserve the colors. And then what we're going to do is you can pick auto detect so that Revit will auto detect the scale. And then I say manually, my floor plan should manually be inputted into the center of my model in Revit. So I say open, and here we go. So every time you purchase a map, you'll see these numbers. This is your degrees, minutes, seconds, 6-figure grid coordinate system. So it's 40 degrees, 37 minutes, and 52 seconds from point 0. Okay, so here it shows you north, that figure, and then east is this figure. What we're going to do first is we're going to set our true north and our project north. Project north is basically what your Revit model or whatever it is you set up, how that will look on the sheet. So sometimes people place it in true north on the sheet, but then when you start to draw your building and you're drawing it at an angle, it can get quite complicated. So what you always want to do is position it so any walls you draw are perpendicular. So let's say this is my project site, this building here. I will draw a line, a horizontal line. Then I would measure what that angle is. And so here is 36.43 degrees, yeah? So then what I will do is I'll take my site plan and I will rotate it. So if I take it from the point in the corner and I rotate it 36.43 degrees, and there we go. So this is project north. True north will be at 36 degrees in that direction. So remember I said that the DWG that I've gotten is in the correct coordinate. So, but the Revit model currently isn't. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to acquire the coordinates from this plan. Manage. Okay, and then I go to acquire coordinates. When I select acquire coordinates, I click on the plan. Coordinates acquired. Okay, so what's happened is I've taken the coordinates from that floor plan. So then what happens is if I go now and position my orientation of my floor plan to true north, it automatically rotates it to true north. And if I go to project north, it rotates it to the north in the project. So your true north is relative to where it is in the world. Your project north is just so it looks pretty on your A4 piece of paper. And that's your Revit tutorial. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Hey, goodbye. Ciao.